and welcome back to Linh Linh House. In today's video, we're diving into the timeless elegance of modern Spanish-style homes. You'll discover how traditional Mediterranean charm is beautifully reimagined through clean lines, natural materials, and a seamless connection to nature. From curved walls and terracotta roofs to bright, airy spaces, this design style offers a warm and refined way of living. Whether you love architecture, interior design, or simply beautiful homes, this video is sure to inspire. Let's explore what makes modern Spanish-style homes so captivating. Modern Spanish-style homes are a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. They retain the timeless charm of Mediterranean architecture while embracing clean lines and minimalist design. This balance creates spaces that feel both nostalgic and refreshingly current. These homes often feature natural materials and earthy tones that ground the design in authenticity. With a strong emphasis on indoor-outdoor living, they offer a lifestyle that celebrates nature and comfort. The result is a style that feels warm, effortless, and enduring. White stucco walls are a defining feature of modern Spanish homes. These smooth surfaces reflect sunlight and keep interiors cool, a practical choice rooted in centuries of tradition. In contemporary designs, these walls are often combined with sleek forms and subtle curves, giving a softer, more sculptural feel. The simplicity of the white finish allows other materials like wood, tile, and iron to stand out. This visual purity creates a calming atmosphere. It's a design language that speaks of elegance through restraint. Terracotta roof tiles remain a signature element of this style. Their earthy color and curved shape instantly evoke the Mediterranean heritage. In modern versions, roofs may have flatter pitches or even incorporate hidden gutters for a cleaner profile. But the essence remains: natural clay tiles that age beautifully and connect the home to the sun and soil. These roofs are not only functional but deeply symbolic of Spanish architectural identity. They're a tactile link to history in a modern world. Arches play an important role in Spanish modern design. Often seen in windows, doors, or passageways, they soften the architecture and invite movement. These curved lines create a rhythm that guides the eye and enriches the space with depth. In updated designs, arches may appear in unexpected ways, more minimal, sometimes even frameless, but always intentional. They help maintain a connection to classic Spanish motifs without feeling outdated. It's this reinterpretation of the past that defines the modern twist. Wood is used thoughtfully throughout these homes to add warmth and texture. Exposed beams, simple doors, and handmade furniture bring a rustic soul to modern spaces. Instead of ornate carving, today's approach favors clean lines and natural finishes. This allows the material's character to shine on its own. Wood contrasts beautifully with white plaster and stone, creating a balance of hard and soft. It's a way of grounding the home in nature while elevating the aesthetic. Tile work is another essential feature, reimagined for modern times. Traditional Spanish tiles often showcase bold patterns and colors. In contemporary homes, tile use is more restrained, focusing on texture, muted palettes, or geometric repetition. Whether on stairs, kitchen backsplashes, or outdoor spaces, tiles add personality and craftsmanship. They serve as subtle reminders of cultural heritage. Used sparingly, they offer a visual accent that feels both artisanal and refined. Modern Spanish homes embrace openness and flow. Spaces are typically designed to connect seamlessly with the outdoors through large doors, terraces, or patios. This creates a living experience that's deeply tied to the environment. Natural light becomes a central design element, flooding interiors with a warm, gentle glow. Rooms feel airy and grounded at the same time. The result is a sense of freedom and connection that few other styles achieve. Landscaping plays a critical role in the overall aesthetic. Rather than manicured lawns, you'll often find gravel paths, native plants, and shaded courtyards. Olive trees, lavender, succulents, and citrus bring a Mediterranean touch to the garden. These choices support a more sustainable, low-maintenance lifestyle. In modern homes, the garden is not separate, it's part of the living space. It reflects the same balance of beauty and simplicity found indoors. Iron accents are used subtly to provide contrast and strength. You'll find black or dark bronze finishes in lighting, railings, window frames, or door hardware. These metal elements highlight the structure's form while adding a touch of refinement. Unlike overly ornamental ironwork of the past, modern pieces are sleek and intentional. They offer a crisp edge to the organic warmth of wood and plaster. It's a conversation between old and new materials. color palettes in modern Spanish design are grounded in nature. Whites, beiges, terracotta, olive green, and deep brown form the foundation. These tones reflect the earth, sun, and sea, timeless inspirations for Mediterranean homes. Color is introduced through materials, not paint, clay tiles, stone floors, wooden furniture, and textiles. This restrained palette allows the architecture to breathe and the landscape to shine. The result is serene, cohesive, and deeply rooted. Simplicity is central to modern Spanish homes. Rather than layering decoration, these designs focus on strong shapes and authentic materials. Every element serves a purpose, whether structural or sensory. The lack of clutter allows the home's bones to speak clearly. It's a form of quiet elegance, unpretentious and deeply intentional. This simplicity makes the spaces feel timeless rather than trendy. Curves and softness set Spanish modern homes apart from harder minimalist styles. From archways to furniture lines, there's a subtle fluidity in the forms. Even thick walls and rounded corners contribute to a sense of calm and stability. This curvature brings a human quality to the architecture. It invites you to slow down, to feel protected, to stay a while. The softness is not decorative, it's emotional. Outdoor spaces are an extension of the home's personality. Courtyards, verandas, and poolside lounges are designed with equal care as interiors. Often surrounded by garden walls or greenery, they offer privacy and peace. Furniture is minimal and natural, encouraging relaxation and connection. Water features or tiled fountains add gentle movement and sound. These areas are not just for show, they're places to live fully. The blend of tradition and modernity in these homes tells a story of evolution. It's about honoring heritage while embracing today's needs and lifestyles. Rather than imitating the past, designers reinterpret it with respect and creativity. This results in spaces that feel grounded yet fresh, rooted yet forward-looking. Every detail carries intention, and every space serves well-being. It's a philosophy of living with grace. In the end, modern Spanish-style homes offer more than beauty, they offer atmosphere. They invite us to slow down, to live in harmony with our surroundings, and to appreciate craft and simplicity. Whether in a quiet village or a modern neighborhood, they radiate warmth and character. These homes are not just designed, they're felt. And that feeling is what makes the style so enduring and beloved. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us today on Linh Linh House. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful home inspirations. We truly appreciate your support and love hearing your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video, and until then, stay inspired and surrounded by beauty.